Yeah, today is Sunday, May 18th, about lunchtime. That's Ming Ming. She's a stray we feed, one of them. And she had a litter of kittens somewhere. And she moved them all into the garage eventually. Fogging up, humid today. There's one of the orange kittens. She has three. There's a black and tan tabby. The little black one just ran away. Back there underneath the toilet paper and paper towels is a generator. And the other two orange like to sleep underneath the generator. I just bought them a covered cat house, real nice cushion on the inside, and that's the Amazon box it came in, and none of them seem to like it. The kittens just started laying on these folded blankets, and normally when it's nap time everybody stays up underneath the generator. When I'm here, I leave the back door to the patio open, and Ming Ming will position herself on the rug to keep the other stray cats from coming inside and molesting her kittens, and keep the kittens from wandering outside. Now she's out on the patio, when one or two of them come out, she'll maintain tight control of them. The tan and gray tabby, he might become an inside cat. They're all still nursing, but they're also starting to eat solid food. So, hello. And for a stray, Ming Ming is super sweet. But anyway, that's the kitten update. That's all for this one. Thank you.